Elon Musk is a South African-born American entrepreneur who co-founded the electronic payment firm PayPal and formed SpaceX, maker of launch vehicles and spacecraft. He was also one of the first significant investors, as well as CEO, Chief Executive Officer, of the electric car manufacturer Tesla. In addition, Musk acquired Twitter, later X, in 2022. Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. He showed an early interest in computers and entrepreneurship, and at age 12 he created a video game and sold it to a computer magazine. He moved to Canada in 1988 and later to the United States, where he studied physics and economics at the University of Pennsylvania. He dropped out of Stanford University after only 2 days to pursue his internet ventures. Musk's first company was Zip2, which provided online maps and directories to newspapers. Musk's passion for space exploration led him to start SpaceX in 2002, with the goal of making space travel affordable and eventually colonizing Mars. SpaceX became the first private company to launch a spacecraft into orbit and dock with the International Space Station. SpaceX also won contracts from NASA and the U.S. Air Force to launch satellites and cargo. Musk joined Tesla Motors in 2004 as a major investor and became its CEO in 2008. Musk is also known for his involvement in artificial intelligence, both as a supporter and a critic. He co-founded OpenAI, a nonprofit research organization that aims to create safe and beneficial AI, and Neuralink, a company that develops brain-computer interfaces. He has 6 sons, 5 of whom are twins and triplets from his first marriage to Justine Musk. He has a rivalry with billionaire Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon and Blue Origin, over the commercialization of space. He also had a dispute with Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, over the ethics of AI. And with Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, over the COVID-19 pandemic and vaccines.